threading Singer Merritt 2404. It's a spool pin on top here, and then a thread guide here, and your bobbin winding button is here. There's a thread guide on the front of it. That the thread pops in, and we go around and through the tensioner, and then the tensioner has the spring and the finger over the take-up arm, and then there's a thread guide on the front of the machine, a thread guide on the needle bar, a thread guide on the needle bar clamp, and the machine threads from front to back. I have a tail that is far too long for this. Alright, well. Winding a bobbin for the 2404 Merritt Singer. It has a regular clutch on the end here to free the machine and put it in bobbin winding mode. The thread stays on the spool, goes through the guide on the top of this lid, and then the lid opens, and it has some diagrams for using the fashion pattern discs, but you then have your tension button for the bobbin winder, and your thread goes around the front and crosses over just like regular, or most machines, and the bobbin winder shifts into place. There we go. There we go. And it looks like this bobbin winder it's just got a feeler here, but that appears bent. So we're gonna straighten that out. Anyhow, this machine came with a plastic bobbin in it, and it does not have a bobbin case that requires a particular kind of bobbin, but you should always stick with whatever kind of bobbin you've been using, because if you switch from plastic to metal, it changes the way your machine sews. Alright. Loading a bobbin on the Merritt. The bobbin drops in, it unrolls counterclockwise, and then you put it in the first slot on the bobbin case, pull the thread around so it drops into that second slot, and then you can close the cover and you're ready to take your thread out.